What is up, guys? It's Tom from Tech Time, and I'm back with another video. Today I have a case video for this phone right here. This is Samsung Galaxy S9, regular version. I am really enjoying this phone, and I want to keep it around. I've been using it for about 3 days, and I love every bit of it. But it is a glass-on-glass design, so with that said, if you drop this phone, you will destroy it, and then you won't have this phone to show off to your friends, use every day, and enjoy every last bit of it. So the case that we have today is a little bit different. It's not from one of your typical case manufacturers. This one comes from Case Station. This is a customizable case company. You go on their website, you start off by choosing the design of your case from whatever Samsung, iPhone, whatever case you're looking for whatever phone you're looking for, and then you start designing. You can put text, font, different colors, different pictures, fully customizable the design of the case and personalize it, make it your own. If you own a business, you can put your logo on there. If you're trying to promote something, you can put your logo on there. If it's a birthday gift, you can put something on there for some loved one or friend, relative, whatever that may be. This is really great, and they were kind enough to send me out a free case. I pre-ordered it for the S9, and it also came with a glass screen protector. This one that they sent me is actually not the one that was given out. They're having a delay, and they were kind enough to send this one out for free. So that is really nice of them. That shows that customer service is important. And this one right here is a Nano Pro liquid glass protection. So you rub this on, and it puts a coating over your glass. This is, if you know anything about car detailing or the car world in general, right now they've been doing a lot of ceramic coatings, nano glass coatings. This is similar to that. So it's going to be a hydrophobic coating that's supposed to resist fingerprints, scratches. They say it's 600 times stronger than a diamond. We'll see. We'll see how that works. But I'm interested in trying this out. I have a lot of case screen protector reviews to do, so this will be one of them that I throw in there. They also sent me a handwritten note saying, "Thank you for your pre-order of the Samsung Galaxy S9. We hope you love your new case. There's a slight delay with the screen protector. These will ship shortly. In the meantime, please enjoy the Nano Pro screen protector product with our compliments. Regards." And then they sent that. So that's cool. You can't beat that. Customer service is great. It's the box it comes in. On the back it says your phone, your story. Like I said, because it's fully customizable, and that's what they want to embrace. You open this up, and it pops up at the top right here, and you get create your own. You get a little card. Open the card. Case Station, made for life. Thanks for your order. Enjoy your gift of $8 off your next order. Use this promo code. So they give you a promo code for $8 off. On the back it shows you how you can get in touch with them if you have any issues. Reach their customer service. So that's also a nice thing. You're ordering a case, and then you're also getting money off your next case that you want to order. And once you order one of these cases, you really are going to want to order another one, because you're going to be like, wow, I have this picture, or oh, I know somebody that would love this for their business. And that's how it starts. And before you know it, you got a whole crap load of custom cases, and everybody looks at these cases and go, oh wow, where'd you get that case? Because this isn't like any case you've seen, because you've designed it. You can design it any way you want, any colors you want, and that's really unique. And in this day and age, case manufacturers, a lot of them putting out the same cases. You look around, you walk down the street, everybody has the same cases on. Nobody's gonna have the case that you design unless you use the same picture. But you know what I'm saying. So this one right here is pretty simple. It's a white background, matte, with Kalon Aesthetics logo. That is my girlfriend's wax studio, spray tan studio. So I put her logo on there to promote her business and help it out and try to bring some business to her. With you can choose anything you want. Like I said, you can also put backgrounds, change the font. You can do anything you want. I uploaded this logo and threw it on. This is their rugged, tough version. So it has a dual layer. You have a TPU with a polycarbonate on the outside. You have all your cutouts, and they look like they fit great. So let's slap this case in here and see exactly how it fits. Slaps in perfectly, and wow, this thing fits great. It really does. All the cutouts are as precise as you're going to get on a case. You have an extra protection with the TPU inside case, dual layer. Let's check the power buttons. Power button works great. Let's check the volume rocker. Volume's perfect, tactile feel. You get your Bixby button. Like I said, all the cutouts are perfect. Your mic on the top, cutout is absolutely perfect. This thing has lip protection, just like any other rugged case you'd use, but it's also still very slim. Feels great in the hand. The fingerprint Everything's perfect. And the best part about this is you can customize it and you can make it your own. With Android, if you use Android, that's one thing you're going to enjoy anyways, is customizing your phone. This is just one outlet that you can do. You can match your wallpaper to match your screen protector, match your case, and then you have the perfect combination. So let's get into the thing itself, the website that they have. We're going to get into that right now. So you go to casestation.com and you're going to pick your region. It's got the Americas, Europe, Middle East, Asia Pacific, Africa. So pretty much worldwide, you can grab a case for this company. I'll click United States because that's where I'm from. And it brings you to this, S9, S9 Plus, create your case. You can choose from custom phone cases, custom iPad cases, Apple Watch bands you can do, Samsung cases, iPhone cases. So it's mostly Samsung iPhone from what I'm seeing here. And then it shows all their promotions that they get. If you subscribe to their newsletter, you get $5 off right off the rip. And then I also have a code, TechTime5, and that will save you $5 off your order also. So that's one way of you guys saving a little bit and me giving back to you guys. So we'll create an S9 case right now, and I'm just gonna give you a quick overview of how it works. Hit create, and then that will load up. And then you have the Snap, which is their slim, low profile case, just snaps on. Then you have their Tough version. This is the extra durability with an inner TPU liner. I went with the Tough because I like my cases tough. Then you have gloss or matte. We'll go with gloss on this one. And then it brings you to right here. It's $40 for the case. It's not a bad deal. You can get a generic case for 40 bucks. This one is really gonna work out nice. So you can choose their art. You can do it seasonal. You can do their featured artists that already have their styles. You can do stamps. You can put nature, nautical. Click out of that. You can go featured monograms, polka dots, backgrounds. This is pretty cool. So you can do all these different backgrounds, or you can choose a solid color. So let's go with blue. And then you can add an image. You can add text. So let's add our text in here. Tech time. You can choose the color. We'll go with white, and that's right there. Now you can add an image. So we'll upload an image, go into my images, see if we could find an image that works for this. Scroll through, and that's cool. It brings you right into your Instagram, your Facebook, anything you really want to find a picture from that you have loaded, you'll be able to find it. So let's continue through my pictures. Those are my recents, nothing in the recents. Let's go to my gallery. Go into downloads. That's not it. We're gonna go to screenshots. Here it is right here. Go with my Bitmoji. So it didn't use that file format because of being a Bitmoji. We'll try a different one. I took some nice pictures the other day. So let's see what we have. Oh, we don't want to choose that one. We will choose the picture of me and my girlfriend. Open that one up. And it overlays the whole phone. Now you can zoom in or you can zoom out. Right now, I'm going to zoom this out. Bring it down here. Zoom it in a little bit. Zoom it in a little bit more. And there you go. Then you hit add to cart. Get to your cart. And that's where all the buying process is going to go. It's going to be $40. You can apply your coupon code right down there, TechTime5, for $5 off. You can also subscribe and save $5 off. But without having to subscribe, you'll be able to get that right like that with TechTime5. You get free UPS first class shipping. They ship these out really, really fast, so I don't see the reason for overnight. But if you choose to do overnight, it's $22 extra. Then you can proceed to checkout and you have yourself a case. So that is pretty incredible. Heck of a thing. I've never done a customizable case like this before, and I enjoyed it a lot. Like I said, I went with my girlfriend's case logo because it worked for what I was trying to do right now at the time. But like I said, if it's an anniversary, you can put a picture of you and your girlfriend, your baby's just born, stuff like that. You can celebrate a lot of things, and it's a great gift idea. It's great for your personal use, great to show off to your friends that you have a case that nobody else has. That's the best part of it. Customizable. Use your creativity and make it happen. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna have a lot more videos on the S9, reviews, tips, tricks, and more cases and accessories coming up. So stay tuned for that, guys, and I'll catch you later. All the links will be down in the description. Peace.